Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Indeed job alerts for career growth step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Indeed website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Select Create an account to set up your profile. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. Confirm your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, look for the search bar located on the home page. Enter your desired job title or keywords relevant to your career in the search bar. Select the location where you would like to find jobs. Click the Find Jobs button to view the listings. Explore the job listings to see which ones interest you. When you find a job that you like, click on it to view the detailed description. On the job details page, look for the Get New Jobs for this search by email option. Check the box next to this option to activate email alerts. You can customize the frequency of these alerts to daily, weekly, or as soon as they are posted. You may also set specific criteria such as job type, salary estimates, and company reviews. After setting your preferences, click Activate or Save to confirm your job alerts. Return to the home page and repeat this process for other roles if desired. To manage your alerts, click on Job Alerts in your account settings. Here, you can review all the alerts you have set up. You can also edit or delete alerts that are no longer relevant to you. To ensure you get the most relevant alerts, regularly update your job keywords and preferences. Check your email regularly for alerts to stay updated on new opportunities. By setting up Indeed job alerts, you enhance your chances of career growth and finding the right job for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.